How to fix I can't refresh my explore page on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the problem of the explore page on Instagram. So first thing, you should go to your setting and go to your apps. Now click on manage apps and click on Instagram. Now click on clear data and clear your Instagram's cache. Click on it and click on OK, and this is it. Now go back to your Instagram, go to your profile and click on those three lines up there. Click on setting and click on help, and click now on report a problem and report a problem. And now you should explain what happened to you on your Instagram account or what is not working. Nice. Now all you need to do is write your problem, and you can also take a screenshot of your explore page. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.